Going to be cleaning my dry flow air intake filter. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not hard at all, but it's something that people that just don't know how to do it, they can do it. This is for my Genesis Coupe right here. It's a 2-liter turbo, but this goes for any car that has a non-oiled dry filter. So you just take the filter off, get your hose, or you can run it under your sink. You don't need to put it on very high pressure. And you go from the inside to the outside, and you just run your hose like that. It doesn't take very long, and the reason why you do it from the inside out rather than the outside in is all the stuff that it's filtering out. The path of least resistance is inside out, not outside in. So that's why you do it like that. And then of course, when you're done, you have to give it time to dry. So it won't get any water into your intake and then possibly get it into your engine, which I don't think it would be enough to even hydrolock it, but you just got to let it dry. And the pros of having a dry flow versus an oiled one like the K&N is you don't have to re-oil it, so that means you can't mess up any of your sensors from too much oil on it. Yeah, so that's about it. So yeah, it's gonna look dark, but then when it dries up, it should be a little less dark. But I'm not gonna drive my car anymore, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get as much water as I can get out of it like this. But yeah, so this is the AF Dynamics intake. It's a K&N replica off of the for the Genesis Coupe 2-liter. Cool thing about it is that the K&N really can't see it, unfortunately. See if I move the nope. It has a velocity stack. There we go. On the end of the filter box, or the heat shield right there. But that's it. A little quick video on how to clean a dry flow intake filter for any car again.